Hey you, what up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back, Maryam here. In this video, we have some newness from Huda Beauty. Team Peach versus Team Pink. Which one are you and which one am I? So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Fauxfilter under eye correctors. We have some new shades, Cherry Blossom, which is a pink, and it also matches the Cherry Blossom powder, which has been viral. It has been one of Huda's best-selling products. And so this is a color corrector that's supposed to match that particular tone. Also, we have a new Easy Bake and Snatch as well as a new Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Peach Pie for the Peach under eye corrector. So there are a few new products. I'm gonna test them out. Of course, I'm gonna do Team Pink on one eye, I'm gonna do Team Peach on the other eye, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see which team I'm on, and hopefully this will be a video that also serves you, and hopefully it'll be able to give you some insight. With that, let's go ahead and get started. Remember to subscribe if you aren't already, notification bell, and now let's hit it. Huda Beauty, Fauxfilter, Team Peach, Team Pink, which one is it? Well, let's find out. All right, so I have this cute PR package here. I am a huge fan of these clear containers that Huda sends her products in because these are great to travel in. These are great for makeup storage, for skincare storage, for whatever storage. I really like these. I appreciate these. Thank you, Huda. We also have some cute clips, one in each color, a pink and a peach. I decided to wear white today because I don't want to distract with any other color from the two that we have happening here, pink and peach. We have a pink and peach mirror, which is super cute and clever. And now let's go ahead and see the actual Team Pink Cherry Blossom corrector. I'm gonna show you a close-up of what this looks like. This is basically lighter than the Pink Pomelo, which is an existing shade of the Huda Beauty line. And this is supposed to work for cooler undertones. So say if you're in this complexion range, this is what they consider a cool. This is who the Cherry Blossom would work for. And then on this side, we have warm, and this is who the peach would work for. And then this is the Pink Pomelo that I typically use. I've also seen Huda use the Pink Pomelo. I've seen her use peach as well. So I'm actually not sure whether I'm gonna be Team Peach or Team Pink. Also, I must mention, I've just been loving the pinky under eye trend lately. I feel like it blends in so nicely with your blush. I almost feel like I'm going to be leaning towards the pink just because of that bias, just because I've really been enjoying that trend lately. But I want to keep it real. I want to keep it realistic. I have a very, very light sheer layer of a skin tint on. I'm wearing the Cali Ray, and I grabbed the Fenty. What is wrong with me? I'm wearing the Cali Ray skin tint, not the Fenty, but they're a similar kind of consistency, which is why I guess I grabbed it. So basically that's all I'm wearing on my face, just a very sheer layer. My skin right now is doing a little bit better than in my previous video. I still have a couple of breakouts here. I have one right here on the border of my soft under eye skin, and then also my regular skin. That is not an ideal spot to be having a zit, but it is happening here right now. You can't really see it, but I feel like in a way it's making my under eye look slightly more discolored than normal because it has that element of redness. Also, I will mention, I am still getting over a cold. I don't know what's been up in the air in 2024 thus far. It has been crazy. I had a long cold. I got over it. I had like a week of just feeling great. Probably not even a week, probably like 5 days. I was able to muster through my anniversary, and then suddenly the cold was back. It's just crazy. I don't know if it's a cold or a flu or whatever. I've been getting myself tested. I've been doing everything, and I know I'm not the only one. It's been going around. You can probably hear it in my voice. I'm still kind of getting over it, but today I feel surprisingly much better than before. Anyway, all of that aside, let me actually go ahead and show you some of the other things. I don't know why I just drifted off into story time, but I want to show you what else we've got in the Team Pink. We have the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the Cherry Blossom. This one I already have. I love this one. We also have the Easy Bake and Snatch and Cherry Blossom Cake. That particular formula I'm not a huge fan of. It's just a little bit too solid for me. And we also have some really cute pink puffs to set everything in place. And by the way, this is $30 and each one of these is $38 regardless of the shade. And now for Team Peach. We've got the peach Corrector. And we've got the new Peach Pie Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. And also the new Peach Pie Easy Bake and Snatch Press Powder. Wow. So I guess let's go ahead and get started. Shall we? I'm gonna designate this as my Team Pink. So I'm gonna use the Cherry Blossom. I'm gonna dot the 3 dots like they tell you to. And then on the other eye, I'm gonna dot the 3 dots with the peach, just like that. I feel like it might be time for a thumbnail face. Which team are you? But which team am I? That's the kind of story I'll never tell. XOXO, Gossip Girl. I feel like I said that in a very Gossip Girl tone. I also am not sure if this is supposed to be sitting under my under eye for that long, but actually, this is a pretty forgiving formula. Like I said, I used the pink pomelo already, and I sometimes use the peach too. Wow. So I think I'll be okay. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use a brush, and I'm gonna blend out the pink. Honestly, it looks a little weird from here. Like it's almost adding more purpleness to my under eye, which is making it look a little bit more sickly. I don't know. But obviously this is a corrector. Obviously there's gonna be a concealer that goes on top. Hopefully I packed a concealer in here. Yes, I did. I'm gonna use the other side of this brush for the peach side. Like that first dot that I dotted was a pinch too much product. But you get the idea. So this looks like it's a little bit too strong for my current undertone. I don't have a tan, I'm at my winter's palest. And I guess whenever I do use peach, it's in the summertime when I'm a lot more sun-kissed than currently. However, if I were to color correct my under eye, this is typically the tone that I gravitate towards. This definitely looks a little bit fresher for my complexion, but just the specific under eye up close is looking a little sickly. I'm gonna show you a close-up and then you tell me what you think. Okay, so here is the peach and here is the pink. Never mind the zit. I don't know which one's doing a better job of color correcting, but I am gonna apply my concealer on top. I'm gonna use the Kosas Revealer Concealer, shade 3.20. I'm gonna use another brush to blend that out. Okay, that looks very, very natural and very, very nice. Let's try this side. And I'm gonna grab yet another brush. As you can tell, I'm really trying to not contaminate and give you the truest review ever. Honestly, that looks pretty nice as well. Okay, this eye definitely does look a little bit brighter, but I think this eye looks a little bit more natural. So now I'm gonna go for the setting powders. Cherry Blossom Cake is one of my faves from Huda Beauty. It is so good. It's such a nice pinky undertone. I'm a big fan, truly. It has this really nice scent. I'm gonna pick up just a little bit on my brush here. Hold on. There is a cat hair stuck to my under eye. Yeah, nice and bright. I don't like how it's laying over my pimple here because the pimple is red and generally I wouldn't want to add pink to my pimple, but it's on an area that is unavoidable, so I just had to do it. So now let's go ahead and reach for the new Easy Bake Peach Pie Powder. Excited about this one because peach is the color of the year, right? And I feel like we've already done pink. We already love pink. And now I'm kind of here to appreciate the peach. I'm gonna use a little puff this time, only because I don't think I have another brush handy. Or you know what? I'm gonna use a brush. I'm just gonna keep consistent so that even the technique is the same. And of course, I'm also gonna pop up a photo of both of these opened up side by side so you can see the difference in the tones. Ooh, I love the peach, actually. I think it looks a little bit more flawless. It makes it look like I don't have a dark under eye at all. Granted, this one's a pinch brighter, yes. I think this one just looks prettier. I think it's just a little bit more flattering for my skin tone. Would you agree? At least that's what I'm seeing in the monitor. I'm seeing that this under eye just looks like a healthy under eye, like I've slept plenty, like I'm not sick at all. And this one is still giving a little under the weather, just a little bit ill. I'm gonna show you one more close-up. And you let me know. I feel like there's a time and place and definitely a look for each one. Like I can definitely see myself wearing the pink as I always do, especially blended into my blush, especially if I'm doing a more glamorous type of look or just like more of a full coverage, more makeup type of vibe. But if it's for every day, if it's something minimal, if it's something a little bit on the clean, chic side, I would definitely go with the peach. But so far, I feel like I'm one of those people that could probably get away with both. And it's not because I'm a neutral undertone. I am a very warm undertone. I just think that my skin currently is light enough that I can get away with wearing the cherry blossom cake in my under eye with the proper makeup supporting it, if that makes sense. But I'm totally here for the peach. Like I said, it is the color of the year, and bring it on. I'm here for it, I'm eager, and I'm ready. One last thing I want to do. I know I'm doing the most today. Should probably be getting rest, but you know, this is just not something I could pass up. I'm gonna go for a little blush moment. I'm gonna grab one of my favorite blushes, the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Rosé and Brunch. It's kind of like a rosy tone. It is nude, part peachy, part pinky. So it's perfect for what I wanna do. I'm gonna grab this Rare Beauty blush brush, which by the way is a new version of the blush brush that they originally had. This one is much softer. I'm gonna grab just a little bit of that. I'm gonna add that to both my cheeks. Kind of what it looks like with the pinky under eye, and this is what it looks like with the peachy under eye. I knew this was gonna look better on this side because this color is very, very natural. But had I gone for something that's a little bit unnatural, say this, it would probably look better on this side if I had the supporting makeup to support it, right? But like I said, there's a time and a place for both, and I will definitely be going forward wearing both. However, if you are someone who is a lighter and also a cooler undertone than me, you will probably love the new Cherry Blossom Cake Color Corrector as well as the powder pairing. And if you are someone who's my complexion or a little bit more tan, you will definitely benefit from the Peach Pie Baking and Setting Powder along with the Peach Corrector. So that is kind of my story. That is my verdict. That is my little demonstration for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know which team you think you're on, and definitely let me know which team you think I'm on. Team Pink or Team Peach or both. Let me know, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. I'm out. I love you. Deuces. I'll see you in the next one.